Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomgquba, igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaqosha into omntwana ingaba noboya ayisafuni bantwana ifuna abadala. Guys, namhlanje ngiphethe usosi, angazi nokuthi isosi ebabayo or isosi yochizi or kodwa nje sizozwa nathi. Ngiphethe omunye ubhuti naye nje obhizi lana kule industry owenza izinto zenzeke. Namhlanje ngihleli naye. Guys, I feel so privileged, but I don't want to sound like I'm blowing my own horn. Ubhuti ngizomnikeza ithuba. Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila njani siswa?
Ngiyaphila. Sosiyani.
My name is Sos 4680. Le gama ngilithole emajideni, yabo?
Yeah.
La eJozi.
Yeah.
Because ngiqala music emakhaya but end up ngivela la eJozi, yabo?
Yeah.
So mangifika la eJozi, I remember, it's a very long story. I don't know if I should explain it.
Yeah.
So, okay, bihlala kwelinye lama-flat lapha. So, okay, khona lo auntie lo bihlala naye le flat, yabo, mofika eJozi, obvious beshare, yabo.
Yeah.
So it was a 2-bedroom apartment. So thina nomngane wami behlala kwenye room, lo antiza ehlala on the other room.
Okay.
So share a fridge because khishili one.
Yeah.
So sithenge isource lapha, yabo. Sithenge isource no antiza una same sauce.
Oh gosh.
So but lokho sikubone late thina, yabo, ukuthi naye bene sauce eyi-one, yabo, efana nethu. Umngane wami uyabhema izolo, yabo. So abatholani kahle nalo antiza, yabo. Lo antiza kamfilanga nje but mina uyangithanda, yabo.
Okay.
So as much as hlala sonke anti usana ukuthi hey because mina bengikhonzile uzothi boy usophekile because beshintshana ngokupheka nomngane wami. Hayi ngimtshela ukuthi angapheki. Athi okay mawukuthi akapheki ungapheki, yabo, ngiphekile ibeef, yabo. Okay ngijabula ukuthi ayivele ngizopheka. Hayi ntambama, hayi obviously masifika okay sesiphakeliwe ngidle mina, yabo. Ngidle but besiblume phansi nje emajideni flatini, yabo, outside. So mangidla bese ngibuyele phansi futhi ngibloma namajidi. So mangibuye ngibuya umngane wami akabuyi useli lapha, yabo, ngibuye ngilala. Mangilala kushuthi umngane wami by the time efika mina uyangiphaphamisa because bese ngilele. Mangi ngiyaphapha uke wezwe ukuthi ubulele but immediately ngiphaphama because ngangilele. Mangivula amehlo ngiyeza ukuthi angikho right, yabo, ngiyagula but uthi ngigulwa yini angazi, yabo. Ngizwe ukuthi ngiyagula angikho. Ngithe mangivusa ikhanda so ngaphalaza, yabo. So hayi ngitshela umngane wami uthi mfethu angikho grand, yabo. Yena utshethi ngiyadlala because ngitshela ukuthi indoda angikho right, hambise esibhedlela, yabo. By the time hlala not far from Hillbrow Hospital, yabo. So kube ukuthi okay umngane wami eRussia angizama ukungisukumisa ngisakwazi ukuhamba ke manje, yabo. Imagine ihlala first floor but it was even hard ukuthi ngifike ema-security la phansi. So I couldn't walk. Nami ngithukile ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyahlanza kuphela, ngiyahlanza. Fortunate enough sole linye security beligadisiwe imoto umunye usisi, yabo. So le security lithathe le moto lingiphuthumise vele, it's not that far from flatini la. Sifike hlala manje babuza ukuthi hey bophuzile, and by the time mina bengiphuzile hayi
Yeah.
matshela ukuthi hayi bengiphuzile. Bethi hey ningamnaki lo uzidakela into zakhe, yabo. Kuthiwa uyabhema, ngabatshela ngibheme, yabo. Bathi okay uzidakela into zakhe lo, banganginaki ngempela. Manje ngiyagula ngempela because nami ngiphelelwa amandla ngazi ngilongihlanzile. So fast forward baba ukuthi I think around 4 ekseni kanje, yabo, kwafika umunye udokotela. So lo dokotela kushuthi uthe mefika wabona ukuthi angikho right, yabo. Wangiphuthuma wangijova then wangi-attend nje. So into yami kwayimanqa ngazuthi yanakeka. It was the first time ngizizwa kangcono yabo. All along bengigula nje yabo nginganakwanga. So mangibuye esibhedlela ke amajita okay ngihlale for like a week esibhedlela because bangitshela ukuthi ngidlile food poison yabo. So manje ngangazitsheli kodwa mina bengacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngitshelile ukuthi maybe antiza khona into efakile bebe expire mhlambe because ngicabanga ukuthi hayi it might happen ukuthi angangidlisi because be umuntu onenhliziyo enhle plaza bengikhonzile yabo. So hayi bangitshela ukuthi food poison then ngabuye ngahlala esibhedlela ngabuya. So mangibuya before ngiye esibhedlela before ngigula bebesana xabana u-auntie lo nomngane wami yabo ukuthi uqediwe isosi yakhe yabo. So manje amajita mangibuye sekuthiwa yimina ohlele isosi
iyo legulisa
iyo legulisa atiza wena nimhlanyisile nifakele ipoison because ile sosi yakhe lidlile. So awukuthi na yawachazela ukuthi hayi masibuye futhi ngamchazela antiza understand ukuthi vele bengasiyo because udoctor obvious make diagnose uzosho lento yena ithola ekudleni ukuthi ifike kanjani nanani ngeke abe sachaza yabo. Excuse me. So kwenzeke ke ngibuya ngosource plus mina abantu abaningi more special ku age group yami bebehleli bethi you got a source because benginokuthrift isikhathi esiningi mangifika eJozi I couldn't afford ukuthi ngithenge nje yonke into engiyifunayo when it comes to isidwadlo yabo. So bothola ukuthi ukthrifta it was my thing. So and into bengichaza ngothrift ukuthi ngithola leya image ye vintage le vele bengiyifuna yabo a unique. So bathi bengibiza ngo sauce vele like in my mind they always say I got a sauce yabo abantu more special engifuna nabo iBram yabo. So ngabona ukuthi hayi because legama lele flatini selidume kakhulu ukudlula istage name sami lesi engifuna bangibize ngaso because bengomunye umuntu back then ngathi let me use this as a stage name sami yabo. Then kwaba kanjalo ke it's a very long story but I tried to cut it short.
So now what was your stage name prior to Source?
Bekuvista cause mina ngusivuyile igama lami yabo. So Vista nakhona igama futhi engilithole la eGoli lelo yabo. So mina before bengicula nje ngusivuyile yabo. So ngiyababona abangani bami bonke banama nickname nama imina kuphela ungenalo yabo. So la eJozi so ngifikele uStenera mangifika yabo. So ngathola legama lika Vista because they were trying to nickname ka Sivile vele uVista yabo.
Fikele Bhekestal
that side yabo. But bengisesimunye ke mina.
Okay ngiyabona simunye.
Simunye one emafletini yabo. Bathini seMurikuri if I'm not mistaken.
I'm familiar with that place. That's
serious?
Right. Nami ngafikela khona. Ngafikela Bhekestal ke mina ema exini.
Okay. Yabo iBhekestal ke. By the time iBhekestal bekuyikasi belisathu yabo because business izinto ezenzakala khona ebesizwe thina sifika because buthola ukuthi I remember this other time because by the time besihamba nge bathini microbus yabo. So bekunokufika abantu bezoyiqasha le microbus. So I remember this other time bekuthi khona abafethu baseBhekestal abafikile bazoyiqasha but mase sihambe nabo sethola ukuthi ngathi isigebengu labafana lapha. So like understanding iBhekestal yonke leyanto because we were standing I mean simunye it was quiet yabo noma bezenzakala izinto but bekurare yabo but Bhekestal boys uthi siyabuya. So yeah.
So uSivuyile, tell me about uSivuyile. uSivuyile uzalelwe phi?
Usivuyile uzalelwe eHarding yabo. Sivuyile uzalelwe eHarding. I've been there almost my whole life. Okay, khulele lapha
ngoba nesibongo
Sivuyile okay cause ngikhulele komalume mina yabo ngikhule baba bengekho eduzane nami yabo so mina isibongo sami ngundlela yabo then boka mawami kandaleni bomkhetheka yabo so ila ngikhulele khona ke but uma wami akabanga kude nekhaya lakhe because wakhila umuzi wakhe nje not far from kagogo yabo so ngikhulele lapha angifuni qama mama ngikhulele ekhaya elifudumele yabo because uma wami bezama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngithole konke engikufunayo yabo and bengikwazi ukuthi ngikuthole yabo even bengasiye mina umuntu onohlupha ukuthi mhlambe ngifuna ini but olet ngathi beli-read ingqondo yami because belikwazi ukuthi lingithengele something ngibona ukuthi ngiyithanda even i-drip kama olet nje bengibona ukuthi hey olet lakwazi ukukhetha yabo so ngikhulela efamily nje mfethu efudumele yabo but masikhula izinto zashintsha ziba because the more sikhula the more require izinto eziningi maybe is expensive food yabo because manje umzali by the time besebancane bekwazi ukusafford manje nayo yakhula amandla wasekho ukuthi aphande as before yabo so Tina we had to take over because obvious more khulisa ingane mele ukhulise at some certain stage mele ukuthi yona seyithatha over iqhubeke la umzali agcine khona yabo so nje uma already sikhulise kahle sathola yonke into esifunayo yabo
how many siblings do you have
we have it's about 8 yabo yeah
you're a big family
big family yabo so
the fact ukuthi uyasho ukuthi bekufudumele niba ngaka enikhona unamandla
too much because angifuni qama manga mina ngikhule okay mangikhula already umuntu onomusa yabo umuntu nje ama families amaningi especially as around there lapha ngasekhaya ebekwazi ukusizakala ekhaya yabo because already bekumuntu onomusa yabo bedayisa ama uniform esikole mawuthi uJanuary mawuthi sebusika udayisa ama winter jackets
yabo
mawuthi sesama nani so botho ukudla kwezingane yabo so bothola ukuthi maybe
and emakhaya uyakolotisa
yabo manje bothola ukuthi sebancane lemizi sihamba yonke
nikoleka
sifike lapha isafika ukuthi hey besathi uba somcelela leyo mpahla bokuyahlolishiswa emakhaya umzali uzokutshela ukuthi hamba ufike ukuthi ucela leyo mpahla uyazi yena sometimes abanye uyaqabana nabo
ngoba ngithathe phuma wakho anginayo ngizomtshela manje nginayo
but by the time bezoyicela behambule yabo so nje sikhule kanjalo I have our sisters about 3 yabo and then amajita wonke
5 amajita
yeah because usisi wami omdala so ashona yabo bathi uthande then kuzoba ubhuti bami ke lapha yabo mina ngosingaka I think it was 5 yeah was 5 mina with family am then yeah I'm not sure
yeah
I think it was 6 so
yeah
it was 6
yeah
then kuzoba khona i2 encane so ekukhuleni kwami like okay bengenayo le nto ukuthi hey ubaba ke khona nani bengayifeel but mangikhula I realized ukuthi okay ubaba ke yabo so okay I remember this other time it was 2006 ngizokuthiwa yabo but bese already bese ke lasihambisa yabo ekhaya masifika okay siyabona kuthiwa uyaphila mara akekho la yabo sifikela kugogo and ugogo ukhuluma isisuthu simuzwa ukuthi uthini thina sikhulele eKZN so ifamily yami
so uma unihambisa kephi
emzimkhulu
okay
so it's not far from where I grew up from because mina ngikhulele eHarding
okay
so siye emzimkhulu because ifamily yami isukile eLesotho ya relocatela to eHarding. I mean emzimkhulu. So mayifika lapha ugogo usakhuluma lesisuthu sakhe and akafuni futhi ukushintsha yabo.
Wabalaya amazulu nawo afuna ukukhuluma inkulumo zamanye abantu.
So shuthi uyabona ukuthi lo isibongo ya sabezulu just that I don't know ukuthi bafinyelele kanjani eLesotho yabo. Then now they were trying to come back home yabo mabefike umkhulu kushuthi wathola indawo emzimkhulu. Then that's when yonke into ke iqala ukuthi thina sibazi yabo. Then meet aba siblings am sengathola ukuthi okay itime belinabo nabanye abantwana ngaphandle yabo. And leyo nto I think ingiphathe kabi sengimdala yabo because bengilo ngicabanga khona ezinye izinto ubona ukuthi as if like bekhona itime around khona one or two mhlawumbe ngabe zange wenze yabo. But ke I wouldn't blame him because I don't know ukuthi like what was the reason yabo. And at this point now I'm old manje yabo and ngiyitime nami so ezinye zezinto. But mina one thing into engihleli ngizitshela yona ukuthi no matter ngabe kwenzakalani ngeke ngikwazi ukulahla izingane zami. Lo muntu lethwe yimini emhlabeni I have to make sure ukuthi ngiyamnakekela ngayo yonke indlela yabo. I have to make sure ukuthi uyakuthola kudinga as much as ngisakwazi ukuthi ngi-afford yabo. But ke we won't dwell on that because isikhathi nje esidlulile yabo.
So baba ushiye 206.
Yeah, uhambe 206.
So now finding out ukuthi ubaba ushonile and wena awumazi, how did it make you feel?
I remember because already belisikhapile yabo. Lisithathile nje sahamba sakhona lapha yabo ekhaya boka time safika okay umncwabo vele alifunanga nokuthi sesiye okay I know siye prior because I think mhlawumbe sifike Friday maybe sifike Thursday bengcwaba Saturday. Then masifika lapha okay obviously sekhaya like kwenziwa amalungiselelo omncwabo. Then ngomncwabo lafika la already yabo. Okay mina ngazi ngimbone lo muntu imgcine ezithombeni ngisemncane yabo. So mangifika lapha okay ngiyabona ukuthi twasombheka but manje mina kuyafana nje because ngiyombheka lo muntu angimazi yabo. Sengiyombheka like eboxini okay ngijoin line ngihamba yabo kuyafana. Leya image le ngiyibone lapha i-image ehleli emqondweni wami
because of awunayo
enye yabo. So if bekuwukuthi mhlambe bekhona i-relationship ngaleyo ndlela yabo but ubhuti wami yabo khona ubhuti wami ozalwa ngaphandle itime yabo uthi so istory sengizibamba ngayo ukuthi hayi ama memories nje ngitshela ukuthi be umuntu kanjani yabo. Into ebekumele ngabe ngiexperienceile mina sengiyibamba kubhuti wami yabo, which is I feel like he was wrong ukuthi yena ubaba ukuthi angasicheck nokuthi kwenzakalani ngathi. But ke maybe he was going through
his own things
yabo and because nginokuza istory ukuthi benginako ukuthi umsuthu yabo icwaseka mhlambe ngala. But ke ngeke uzukwazi ke ukuthi just because kwenzekile into kanjalo so you can just leave your kids like that yabo. Mina I'm talking from the experience because ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngimdala yini engangenza ukuthi ngoba nako abantu mhlambe ngithole
umphakathi awukamukeli
or maybe family ayingamukeli. It doesn't break the bond between mina nengane yami leyo nto yabo.
Like that.
Yeah, so nje it was hard because ezinye zezinto engizothina ezingaffectile mangikhula sengibona ukuthi okay khona izinto ngengibona ukuthi if bekuthiwa bekhona itime noma ngabe belingenzi next noma ngabe bengangenzeli next but leyana because uma already beseyidlalile vele indima yabo enkulu futhi which is lo mama I feel like ngisamkolota yabo It's just that izinto zami azikakabi ngale ndlela engifisa ukuthi zibe yiyona, but like oh hey big time yabo nje.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
And I think what is important, my intentions on now. It doesn't matter how long it take. Into esicela nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu amgcine so that all the things that you want to do for her.
Nami yona into engicela nje
yayibona.
ukuthi yabo bengase bangigcinele yena. At least akwazi ukuwitnessa impumelelo yami ngimenze. I've done a lot for her yabo, but I feel like akakabi enough ngale ndlela engifuna ngayo yabo. Ngifuna nje ukumshayela idladle nje top yabo, where she can like walk around nje I feel comfortable ngayo yonke indlela yabo.
Idladla lespace
mfethu
ngiyakuzwa mina umshayina ngemoto nyana njalo
yabo mehambe esontweni akwazi ukukherisha nabo mama bomthandazo yabo.
Nje
yeah.
And then when did you know, or when did your craft started? Because I know ukuthi we were mentioning something ukuthi even back ekhaya mina ngangizibiza. You understand. So when did you know, or when did you decide that this is my craft and I'm gonna do it?
I think it was around, okay, I started off as a dancer yabo.
Okay.
So khona abafethu ababedancer.
Yeah.
So bishama break dance nani yabo. Mina by that time I didn't have interest to dance because bengazi ukuthi but even though like bengibona ukuthi mo dancer, like I felt like bakhona izinto eziningi ozitholayo easy more like amacheri. So by the time I was young vele bengekho interested nasema ntombazaneni kangaka, but ke ngoba ukuthi khona usisi wami by the time besaphile besebenza eThekwini, so benongibuyela nezibahla yabo.
Yes.
And noma olate ngapha yangithengela khona usisi wami wokubuka baba yabo. Owababa.
Okay.
Owangaphandle ongazalwa olate.
Okay, I hear you.
So naye bese eThekwini I remember buye nezinye izimpahla ezeReebok bekuyiskipa nje esikhulu nesikhini sakhona. So truly like laba lamanje dadansayo la shy break dance mhlawumbe abona the drip acabanga
ukuthi and ngicabanga ukuthi izinkulu when you don't like it, and that time it was not a baggy clothes era, isn't it?
It was baggy like big because manje skip I think besihamba la yabo, but siyangilingana angazi ukuthi ngasichaza kanjani, but
it was one of those designs that you did.
Neskindi siyangilingana because mina bengimkhulu by the time. So I think lamajita abonile engazi ukuthi nami I'm one of them, mhlambe ngiyapractice amangeda, but because indlela engigqoke ngayo then bangicela ukuthi angijoine ngala yabo. Okay ngajoin. So ngiyabona mase ngirealize isikhathi sesihambe ngiyabona ukuthi laba kahle bebe attractwe ukuthi bafuna ukuboleka le drip yabo. Impahla zabo nama straight care benginawo yabo. So okay, fast forward kwenzeke lokho yabo ungijoine, but manje because umzimba wami uqinile ngifuna uqamanga yabo bengiforced because it wasn't something engiyithandayo yabo. Okay, siyadansa slow sihamba siyakubuka lo mfethu siyopractice yabo. Ngithe ngisasana kujoina kwaba ukuthi labafethu laba kumele bahlangana nenye icrew ebeyidansa isibhujwa yona, bathi okay sahlangana nabo because siyahlangana esikolweni even though sidansela amaqembu ahlukene, but esikolweni siyazana yabo. So sahamba sawjoina labafethu saba iqembu li1, then we call it game over yabo. Mhlambe we were about like 30 of us.
Nani mara
lalela phela sha imdance ehlukene la khona be break dance khona besibhuja.
I understand
khona yabo. So and yashisa ke manje create yabo, siyadansa esikoleni siyamenywa nakwezinye izindawo yashisa like ngempela saziwa ke manje. Okay, but manje later on kwafika amantombazana acela ukujoin.
Okay.
So ngokuba week kwabafethu bavuma yabo afika umuntu ayimosha yonke leyo nto yabo. So because manje lamantombazana I think la go 7 or 5 angisakhumbuli kahle.
Yeah.
Thina samajita sila ko 8 wonke umuntu ufuna kuba nentombi yabo. So manje uzoqoma bani seqabana amajita yabo sekuba namabeef nje avukayo so la iqembu kanjalo.
Yeah.
Then by the time siqhubeka si dance before iqembu lizeliwe omunye umfethu lo practicela kubo une studio une computer nje sanda kuyithola ngazi ukuthi beyithole kephi yabo. So ba record because bona they were like rapping vele even back then yabo.
Okay.
So mabe record mina cause angazi ngiyibone lento enziwa phambi kwami like when they have to start ingoma from scratch like ngaba ne interest ukuthi okay so umathi igama lakhe lo mfethu yabo. So bewuthi umimjita bathi sipha athi bafethu ofuna ukucula angayeza zocula ngala yabo. So cause siqala indaba ucula manje yabo. So ofunayo ucula angeza zocula. So mina ngazi ngacula before and I've never thought ukuthi ngacula yabo. But manje since seshile lo mjita start to have interest yabo. Mangifika ekhaya ngibuye practicing ukudance ngifike ngizama ukubhala yabo because I've always been like creative like because bothola ukuthi nginaku create ingoma nje uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithunywe ugogo ukuthi ngiyolanda izinkomo benginezinkomo kagogo yabo. So bekhona umuntu ozilusayo mina kumele ngiyozilanda kuyena lo muntu intambama mesehlukanisa because ukusa izinkomo zomphakathi yabo. So mangibuya nginaku create nje izinto even though like being saying intwana by the time I couldn't understand what I was doing yabo. So by the time sekufika lesikhathi sokuthi okay mele ufuna ukucula ngeza zocula nanani yaqala okay ngizama ukubhala I think ngabhala iverse lokuqala ngabhala lesibili then kwelesibili ngihamba ngazisa abafethu ukuthi bafethu khona into engiyibhalile kanje then ngibhala ngacula le verse abalincane abafethu uthi hayi wena namanga kade ubhala why it sounds so like solid. Ngawatshela uthi it's my first time yabo. But okay as record dance I record the same day.
And imagine then the craft was born
yabo. So must record lapha kanti mina ngifika vela abafethu baqabele nabanye abafethu abaculayo bebe team. So ama lines wami kwangazi ukuthi akhuluma
ngalabo bantu
nalabo bangale yabo. And mina angazi nokuthi yini ukudisa umuntu angazi nokuthi yini because mase ngizwe ukuthi nina nisidisile kanjani and nizobona siyabuya manje sekudaba okay yonke lento yenzakala ku process yokuthi I'm still trying to jump on this. So manje I don't know if kwenzakalani but leyo nto yangisiza because I growth yaba fast yabo. So bangitshela abafethu labo isicula kuthi indoda phela laba basilisa kanje esekuyaqala ke manje okay senga understand yonke into ke manje ukuthi okay izinto ezikanje kusuke kwenzeka nje. Okay so that's how this whole thing started yabo.
So, and then from there wabana umfana o relevant ekhaya.
So obviously senze izinto zasekhaya yabo ngathunywa nanani but I have to understand ukuthi there is this thing manje seyikhona yabo. And uma olethi ngiyazama umenza understand akayizwa lento yabo and umuntu omdala I can like uzothi ngiculele yabo bese mina ngizothi hey manje kwathini bana I understand ukuthi kwenzakalani yena into ayifunayo ufuna umculo wesintu yabo like lo akhule ngawo yabo.
And ukhumbula ukuthi phela bona ngaleso sikhathi leso irap bebecabanga ukuthi into ethuka nayo
kanjalo vele most abantu abadala bebecabanga kanjalo because it used to be like that yabo back then and inendlela esigqoka ngayo abayithandi yabo. So nje hey bekuningi so ay sazama ke but as much as ngirapper nginayo le idea le ukuthi yazi I feel like lo music esenza mnandi but if mina ngifuna ukusha ube soulful yabo ube ngizithini ama chorus aculwe yabo ngasale sengirapper from
be hardcore
because mina I think like bengiba ne melody before creating ngoma yabo so bekuthi okay but manje abantu engisebenza nabo ngaleso sikhathi abang understand yabo and no matter how can I try to explain to them abangizwa uthola ukuthi angizwa but because ayikho lento kuyena yabo ayifiki ngalendlela efika ngayo kumina so ukuthi saqhubeka sacula kodwa yabo ngiyazama mina ukuthi ama chorus wami ngashaya ngalendlela engifuna ngayo but even by that time bekuthi production asinayo production again yabo so sometimes ezinye izinto uthola ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uyicabange bese iphume ngalendlela
uyicabanga
yabo I understand we were young and uproducer with by the time naye khona izinto eziningi ebengakazazi by the time yabo but it was good yena because angithi manje sekwenzekile ingxabano labo abadala ebebengakwazi ukuthi basisize abasekho so like sesele sodwa yonke into sekumele sizifundise thina yabo but salute that guy because he was able ukuthi create lo muntu enguyena namhlanje yabo because by him creating la ama beats ngikhona ukuthi ngijumpe kuona but in my mind I always have the idea le mina ngifuna ukuthi uyo music engifuna ukuthi wena so sa recorder first time sirecordile i-album sayikhipha yabo khona umfethu wayedayisa ama-CD bekusakhona lento yokudayisa ama-CD back then ngasekhaya so lo mjida I think wayehlala ePort Shepstone simcela ukuthi sicela senzele ama-CD akanje yabo afake izingoma zethu wasenzela then isihamba sawadayisa la ma-CD bathenga futhi abantu yabo then kwaba ukuthi
imali yakho niyakuba
hayi imali besisebenzisa nje beyiza kuthina because akekho umuntu obe entitled to ukuthi hayi mfethu wena umgcini wezimali beyiza kuthina nje and bengekho lento ukuthi hayi bafethu ngoba mina ngine studio I have to get the big portion and bekuthi nje
ni
equal yabo so kushuthi ubaba lo mfethu lo ngine studio ku bewuthi uthola i-CD letha ngazi kanjani wazwisa omunye ngizothini relative yakhe yabo relative kwasho ukuthi umuntu vele uthandayo into ze youth more especially enza music wathi labafana bacula phela bashaya iproduction ufuna ngengizama ubathatha beze ngala eGoli bazo record. So it was my first time ngizijozi yabo mayishiwo zange siyikhola yabo but ke siprovile ukuthi hayi ngempela vele kuthiwa kumele siyijozi ayiseze ijozi vele yabo masifika hayi sigibele imoto yababa lo mfethu lo uMathu yabo sigibe drive stallion singene ngemumva sibeka isiphontshi senza omabezi beshayile umkhupha nenkukhu yabo sagibela la ngemumva cabanga sisuka le KZN okay sihamba la it's our first time ukuhamba distance ende kangaka and manje mina I thought maybe because igoli ngihlala ngibona ku TV so I'm thinking ukuthi la endleleni so sihamba sibona ama lights into ezinhle nje so masuke okay is 5 masifika after ma respect esisaqala sibona ama plaza manje gcwele awekho lama lights la besicabanga ukuthi thina siyawona nganti egoli
kwenziwa
man isahamba ke that day sahamba safika safisa la lesekhunda because ubaba umngani wami lo wayesebenzisa Soul, so salala khona lapha. From lapho sasuka, and the following day kumele lo muntu lo osiletha la eGoli umuntu ukuthi yena use Pretoria eseBrits kahle yabo, so kumele siyomthola eBrits yabo. Imagine indlela ende kangaka. Sifika sigibele ke suka the following day sigibele suka eSimbalenhla, if I'm not mistaken.
Mpumalanga.
Suke khona silende eWonders. So manje amatheksi ePretoria kumele sothole kephi MTN. Asikwazi MTN. How we going to get there? Yabo qhama uyazi mufike eGoli bangathi bakubona ukuthi akuyazibhayizela. So masifike lapha ayi okay qhama ubafu niyake ibhayisisho ukuthi sifuna amatheksi. Yazi ukuthi sathi nje few steps nyana wathi hayi madoda lethana 50 rand ke sithi hey siyakho ukuthi uhamba nazo lezi khoma zenisa ukeep and 50 rand bomkhulu by the time yabo. Ayisahambe sikhiphe le mali yabafu bese siqhubeke nendlela. Fortunate enough sifike kahle yabo le eBrits cause bese masuke eMTN sawufika ePretoria sifuna imaraba stand yabo kuningi nje sagcina sifikile kodwa. And then the following day sahamba saw record. Ngibona manje ukuthi kwakuyise Kempton Park lapha sayo record khona. Because safuna le studio umfethu sayo record lapha. Then sifika mhlawumbe sifike ngabo 4 lapha yabo le studio. Sifika and futhi sanjiswa uyena lo baba lo silethela igama lakhe original Eminu Rich yabo. Rich Sibutha yabo wasiphatha kahle kakhulu ababa yabo. So kube ukuthi asithathe so record lapha masifika lo producer lo besa busy nama artist aqede then aqala iproject yethu. I think uyiqale lapha ngabo 8 ebusuku yabo. So
umkhathala uthini
sikhathele sizingane futhi enye into nalomuntu ekuthiwa sigade ulobaba ufika washiye bese wahamba washiya nomunye ubhuti nje ukuthi sigade. So sikhathele la silambile ke futhi yabo siyasaba nokuphumela ngaphandle manje sishiyeliwe but manje kulobhuti yabo. So lo bhuti yena osikhethelayo ukuthi hayi nizodlana ini yabo. Siyafika eGoli futhi asifuni ukuthi sisiloko siphikisana naye. Uthi okay suke si record. I think siqale ngabo 8 by 11 I think around 1 siqedile ukurecording ngoma ezu11. Because imagine sis creator la lezi ngoma yabo. Mhlambe it was like 3 songs esifike
ready
yabo nakhona hayi ukuthi izingoma eziphelesa recorda lezi ngoma futhi saba proud sabamnandi sabuyela
ekhaya
sabuyela ekhaya. I mean
kubaba loyana and then you went home. So how it's like now masenifika nino music manje one quality ekhaya?
The problem is okay bakhona abasijabulela, most of abantu abaningi basijabulela kakhulu ngifuna uqamba but like I felt like if le projects ngabe yabankulu if ukuthi be exposed with social media the way ebengakhona manje yabo. Because lezi ngoma ngisenazo mina mhlambe khona like umuntu onazo out there yabo just that mina engingazikhumbula because ingoma like ezingikhumbuza ngalesi sikhathi yabo. Manje sibuya futhi ne CD elipackage kahle yabo elingahambi nje lo yabo whole package fresh yabo. Sabuya futhi siqala phansi yadayisa futhi bathenga futhi abantu yabo singena door to door. So sebenze kamnandi leyo nto. So manje kumele sibuyele esikolweni futhi yabo. Manje by the time mina sengihlale ePortchepstein yabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi yabona leyanto because lento yenzeka ngifunda ba grade 11 le yaseGoli. Already sengihlale ePortchepstein by the time because ngimuvile Hadingi already bese liqala libona ukuthi from ka grade 10 that's already wena ngathi soqala ukuthanda amantombazane
Okay,
kakhulu
hamba.
because manje angithi already alikho lisemsebenzini
Okay.
uma ngibuya home alone ngiyavalela nginendlu yami yabo
Nkosi
so
yami.
awumakhelwane bayamtshela ukuthi hey lengani le yabo so mangiyohlala ePotchefstroom ngihlala nobhuti wami angitshela ukuthi hey ndoda intombazana uhlangana naye
Yeah,
yabo
yeah, yeah.
and funny enough ukuthi that whole year uphelile nje ngingenantombazane eduzane nami yabo and leyo nto yangenza nga realize izinto eziningi yabo
Yeah, because ubu focused.
bengifocused
Yeah.
so mangibuye seyikhona le idea ukuthi ngibonile igoli yabo
Yeah.
and bengihlale ngizwa bomalume bami bekhuluma ngegoli mabebuye egoli like there's ngathi khona ihope nje ngegoli yabo
Yeah.
because mabebuye buya bephethe into ezimnandi abo sweet nabo bahle bagezile
Yeah.
yabona ukuthi kushuthi egoli khona into eyenzakalayo yabo
Yenzakalayo.
so since sengibonile ngisho ukuthi ngiyahalela ukuphinda kule ndawo ukuthi sophinda nini asazi
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
because by the time angina phone umuntu onefone umngani wethu lo
Yeah.
silethwe
Ubaba
wakhe so naye samele sifocus esikolweni okay qeda isikole I'm planning to go ukuthi ngiyo further
studies.
ama studies yabo so okay ngenze ngendlela ebengijetse kuzokwenzeka okay since bengihlala nobafu sengifunda grade 12 manje yabo so ngicela ukuthi ngicela ukuyohlala emqashweni ngedwa yabo
Okay.
that's where the problem starts because manje ngiyohlala emqashweni ngedwa sengifree manje sengiyakwazi ukuthi shuthi sengaba nentombi
Yeah.
yabo sengabuyela back to le mpilo vele
Yeah,
bengiphila
imikhuba yakho.
yabo so manje nabangani la yabo
Yeah.
and ukuba ukuthola intombi bengekho easy yabo I mean bengekho nzima because manje obviously ukuyabona uma ufika endaweni ngiyafika la mina yabo so amantombazana ngazi ukuthi
But which one is this one? Yeah.
yabo so nje uthi okay kuyenzeka lokho unfortunately ngakhulelisa yabo
Isa.
leyo process yabo but like towards the end of the year I think bekuphela unyaka kuzoqala u2013 yabo khulelisa manje enye inkinga ke le yabo should say yakhansela yonke iplan yami le mina benginayo ngami yabo ukuthi kumele ngiye esikoleni now I need to focus ku problem le nje yabo ngisaba nokubatshela ekhaya yabo ukuthi ningani ngikhulelisile ngizotshela abantu yabo bekuthi hayi ngizitshela ukuthi after this maybe I should like find umsebenzi yabo engizokwazi ukuthi ngisupporte because angifuni uma oledi ukuthi after she struggled so many years ekhulisa thina aphinde futhi I face the very same thing futhi ngami ngenkinga elethwe mina so angithi because sengitshela ukuthi ngimdala angizimele izinkinga zami yabo ngithola umsebenzi Checkers I think sengimentionile
No, it's fine
yabo so ngithola umsebenzi kusebenzeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngisupport le ngane yabo so ngithi okay isakhona le nto ukuthi kumele
ngifune goal
manje ngizosuka kanjani mara la because ngiseshipstein manje yabo ngihlala ePotchefstroom by the time and ngisebenza eSouth Coast Mall yabo so I try ukusave up yabo but bese ngicela transfer ukuthi because sengizwile ukuthi eHarding sebene Shoprite so it's yazini because into eyi1 vele le ithi ngicela transfer ngiye ngale ngihlale noma oled kancane yabo bese ngikwazi ukuthi from lapho ngishift ngiyegoli because manje sengimdala yabo sengakwazi ukuthi ngizithathele izinqumo yabo and uma oled now happy ngamfakela imali yona le encane engiyitholayo but I'm able to share nabo yabo so akube ukuthi okay bangivumele ukuthi banginike transfer lapha ngiye I think ngihlale 1.5 year I'm not sure I think 2 years two full years yabo. Then
You moved to Jozi.
mangifika ngidecide solwandle nje ukuthi hayi ngeJozi
Yeah.
yabo bekumhla ka1
Yeah.
and mekumhla ka1 ngale
Abo New Year's resolution. Yeah.
That's hayi ngegoli.
Then wazibani eGoli uzofikela kuphi and how was it for you?
The very
now
same
ukufika
thing
eGoli?
le ebenginayo by the time
Yeah.
sephinde wayibiza lo baba yabo.
Okay.
But manje mina by the time angikhona ukuba join because yena sesehadingi mina ngisephroject yabo.
Yeah.
So and yena ubafo sekukhona nabanye abangani abasha anabo because yena he went to varsity and manje I don't know what was going on. There was communication besengekho kahle, angazi kwenzakaleni ngisakhumbuli kahle yabo. But ke kube ukuthi okay ungala yabo siyabonana sometimes siyafonelana hey ndo sengifona ngithi nami sengikhonile ukuthi ngizithengele ifoni yabo. Athi mfethu waseGoli inini yabo. Hayi ngithi okay yabo kumele ngihambe vele ngeGoli yabo because vele nami mina le nto ukuthi kumele ngeGoli ngikwazi ukuthi ngeGoli ngathi ngitshela imanager yami leyo nto imanager yami bengafuni because bengumuntu osebenza kahle yabo and like we're getting along yabo nje ngezinto eziningi umsebenzi ngushaya futhi yabo. Mangitshela ukuthi ngeGoli ngifisa ukuresign yathi hayi ngengiyenze le nto angeke resignisi ke kuzohambe
Yeah.
and by the time ebekuningi bekwenzakala she was even planning ukuthi angipromote. Manje ngicabanga ukuthi mangeGoli ngifuna ukuqhubeka nesikole yabo.
Okay.
At the same time
You wanna chase your dream. Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
So ayibo ukuthi okay so manje mina mangicabanga ukuthi okay ngizohlala la then futhi impilo yami izophelela la. This is as much as ngu-enjoy umsebenzi but akusiyo umsebenzi mina engifuna ukwenze lona yabo. Hayi ngitshela uma oleda akavuma ukuthi hayi yaGoli yabo ngitshela sengihambile yabo ngitshela ukuthi hayi sengihambile. Imagine
uzofikela kumngani wakho la.
Umngani wami naye sinaye ngale. By the time ngidecide lento naye ukhona sihamba ngenanani. Imagine soba I think we were 7 kwinanani yabo 7 or 8 angisakhumbuli.
Yeah. Anisaba amaphoyisa la endleleni?
Angazi sisicwele nje ingqondo umngani yabo. Suke sihambe vele yabo. Nemali asinayo wena kahle yabo. Sihamba pataniswa kwayile ama toll gate yabo nje kuningi sifike vele. Masifika bona angithi sebehlalile ngala prime. So bahlala le ndawo le bengisho eSimunye yabo.
Yes.
Mangifika ngafika joiner. Okay, sure. I think there were 6. Ngisakhumbula kahle yabo. Should mina anganoma mina bengizoba u6 or 7 na. Sihlala la 2 bedroom. Ku grand futhi flat nje. Same time lo besirecordise lawa le ama city lawo.
Yeah.
Uyosirentela futhi la.
Yeah.
So okay as isikhathi sihamba bekuthi the guy lo engifike ngaye la he was working on a project which is a mixtape yakhe and then we're planning ukuthi so drop a mixtape yakhe after that sishaye nonke yabo.
Yeah.
I mean so
yeah
bekuthi siyavumelana kanjalo but kwaba nezinkinga because I remember we had to choose ukuthi okay time leli besilokhu sitholela ama manager yabo abantu abasimene but manje labantu abasimene utsutsi yabo babona ukuthi
une potential
yokuthi yena ngabenefita imali yabo. So yena akezi ngeintention ukuthi sizosebenza siphusha umsebenzi akezi ngaleyo ndlela because I remember ukuthi we had to choose ukuthi senze show or shama feature in no Questa no Duncan. By the time I'm not sure if it Duncan or Uzawi about but Questa was sure about him about we ain't being sure I mean to say. So ukuthi yena he was part of it ukuthi we had to choose yabo and khona enye ingoma bengafitha kuyona blind sasishayile and ayimnandi kanjani so ziningi nje nezingoma besishaya but time ezimnandi for leya era le yabo.
And then ufika nini eJozi ufika yini into ekususe from now eWestern area sogcina sohlala eJoburg.
Okay njengoba we had to choose ukuthi senze show or ama-feature. I think mina since ngumuntu ofike kaMumba yabo because I think ngangakuveza lo ukuthi ashayina ama-feature so but ibandla lonke lona livumelana ngokuthi ashayina ishow izosifakela imali in but manje noma ngaveza ngayiphi indlela angikhona ukuthi ngilalele because I'm a newcomer here yabo
and bona sebebondile
isikhathi eside yabo and manje I can't convince them ngoba na mina ngifika then sekumele kulalele point lami then nale uyazi mangithi mangizama ukuconvince manje ngizoveza ama advantages ukuthi uyibone le nto ukuthi izosebenza le ngifuna ukuthi uyenze yabo then kushuthi kwenzeka ke sa choose le event it wasn't successful yabo because oqala indaba ishawele kuyona ishawele eRandfontein. I don't know if uthi bokwahlala ngakulela side
kasami la
yabo khona bathini le ndawo moya ngaseRandfontein ngakafika edrobheni think bathini golden what indawo nje ene open space enkulu ngathi boma angazi ipende ngoba yellow mara on your
khona from
your left hand side
from a Bekestad
yabo mosuka eBekestad
eMuhlakeni
moya ngasi iqondeni
nekasi stress
muqondeni naseMuhlakeni yabo then leyo ndawo le besishayela sengikhohle ukuthi golden what yabo bekuthi sishaya event but manje I feel like besicela uqondo omngani because samile ukuthi siyipromote but asikwazanga uyipromote yabo when i-social media bengekho solid ngapha sishayela ikasi if sishayela ikasi elihlukile if besishayela kuleli akasi mhlambe leli isimo
lapho basebenazi khona at least
sebeyasazi la ngabe sikhuluma okunye plus we bring quest and like now there's a lot of jealous around ikasi because khona abantu sifike becula nawo manje thina sifike sashisa because siqhama ne-style lekhize yabo masifika lapha baba ukuthi
event ayikho successful
event yangabi successful ngapha khona I think angifuni ukumention igama but bekusakhona imabala noise nanani beqeda kusayina lawo ama-artist akaya amaningi and nayo ushaye i-event eMuhlakeni same date yabo and khona ngenwa for free and yena he's got that lineup le crazy le ama-artist wakhe
that is
so
why
abantu bengeke bachoose ukuze thina bayekele yabo even though we got uQuesta no Duncan no I think yabo bekhona nje ama Sibusiso Dlomo Gunman there was like a lot of guys nathi bebe solid ngala kuthina but manje asikwazi ukuthi ba choose i-event engenwa ngemali ikhona yamahala then yafaila ke leyo plan manje mayifaila isibona ukuthi imali engaka okay into ezuthiwande yabo sesibuyela back ke following day sivuka kusawa endlini yabo akekho akusasiza ukuthi siblame bani ukuthi barabe kumele senze so kumele nama kusekuni yakhumbula kodwa ngasho ukuthi ini yabo like wonke umuntu sekumele abone ukuthi hey senza kanjani manje into engishayo njengoba ngihlale eWestern area ngibalete esikolweni because ngiyafunda I'm trying to pursue
ufunda kuphi that time
eBram
okay
so ngenzi sound engineering so manje ngibalete esikolweni all the time because the traffic N12
ubuhamba ngetrain
no bengihamba nge-taxi yabo ngiyabona ukuthi ngibalate but manje angivuka ekuseni yabo, but i-traffic yabo la ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngeke yangibulala, ngazama i-train still nakhona yafail. So kaba ukuthi ngidecide ukuthi hayi ngeke yabo, since abanye sebecabanga ukuthi mina ngicabanga ukubuyela ekhaya because izinto azisahambanga ngale ndlela ebesifisa ngayo yabo, and manje yabo sekukhona nokungabambisana emajideni yabo. So sa decide nomunye umngane wami, the very same guy lo
naye befunda nawo. Oh better.
So sa decide saseJozi mfethu sihlala eJozi, but manje mina engicabanga anginamali, ngeke ngikwazi ukutshela uma-Oledi ukuthi akangirentele yabo, anginamali. Where I'm going to get this money ukuthi ngirent? And by the time bebethi uyabuza irent imalini ekuthiwa 3,000 iroom njeka, yabona ukuthi ngathi bengikhaliswa u-800 eharding, so manje sekumele ngizorenta imali engaka ngeroom elincane nje. But ke cause sabamsana nabafethu sarent yabo, u-anti izokhona u-anti wami naye bengisiza ne-Oledi ma ukuthi ninayo ngaleso sikhathi lifaka yabo. So okay, isikhathi siyaqhubeka siyahlala eGoli, ngiqeda i-course, but manje izinto zami azisakhona ukubalansa cause ngiyakhokha esikolweni. Sometimes senginokuthatha le mali le rent, I mean esikolweni
ukubhadala rent,
angibatsheli ekhaya because ngiyabona sometimes ngokuthi ngiyafuna ngizwe ukuthi akukho grant yabo, so angifuni ukuthi baphathwe inhliziyo ezibuhlungu.
Mina uqedile i-course awukhona ukukhokha manje ukuzothola ama-academic lentuza nayo
izinto zami. So okay, makuphela i-course kubonakala ukuthi hayi ngizokwenza njani. Ubafo lo umngane wami athi hayi mfethu mina ngiphinde ekhaya yabo. Mina I have no option, I can't go back home because indawo bengihleli ngifisa ukuba kuyona le. So now I have to make a plan as umjini. So wenza kanjani ngithi hayi plus nginezingane ezibheke mina ukuthi kumele ngizifakele sinini, ngithatha kuyona kule mali esesikolweni ngibuyisela le back futhi kubona labantwana because ngithemba ngibuyele eharding ngafike ngathola ingane yesibili yabo.
Nkosiyami nawe uzwa mara
yazi ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani. Mina by the
with
time
the same mother
different.
Okay,
so
judge
inkinga yazini bengithi ngenza okunye kwenze okunye yabo, because baba uthu labantu yabo ngibathole besama virgin yabo. So manje mina not thinking ukuthi hayi sengamithisa yabo, and by the time bengazinakanga nezinto ezikanjalo. So mangithola ingane esibili yabo ngiyabona ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuphindela le ingane zami zodlala, so I have to make a plan. Ngahasila, fortunate enough ngathola umsebenzi yabo. Ngabona ukuthi okay hayi kuyaphileka, ngazitshela ukuthi angeke ngisabuyela eJozi. Ngahlanganisa I mean ngisabuyela emakhaya, ngahlanganisa ngathenga istudio yabo, ngakwazi okay sengiyazirentela manje ngiyi-one, hlanganisa ngathenga istudio. Ngabona ukuthi hayi shayile sengikwazi ukuthenga istudio and istudio siyabiza yabo. Hayi hlanganisa impilo iyaqhubeka. Ngabona ukuthi okay, so I need to khona abafethu bengifunda nabo yabo. Ukuthola ukuthi yena u-beatmaker khona umfethu abathi uPub, and anginawo producer but nginaso studio. Manje I can produce nami as well, but manje angincane production yami nama-beats wami angathandi yabo. Yabona ukuthi I'm not good ngama-beats, so at least ukhona ubani yena is good ngama-beats, akanawo ama-vocals yabo. So let me assist him nge-project yasesikolweni ebengimele yena ayiqede ukuthi usubmitha wenza ama-genre awu-5 ahlukene, which means you start with gospel, house, hip hop. Abengekho hip hop, bengingafuni ukuyifaka i-hip hop because bayazi ukuthi vele most of us senze hip hop. So mangimsiza kanjalo mina sengiqedile ngasubmit and nga-release ingoma ebeyikuleyo project le beyiyesikole bathi sithandwa sami. It was my first single engiyirelease by myself yabo, ngiyi-one yabo i-producer uyena uBafu uMathi yabo angiyirelease abantu bayithanda and now because umusic ushintshile ngishaya ngizothini afro pop akusayo i-hip hop mara engathi yacula nyana nama melodies abayithanda abantu bona ukuthi okay yabo then from lapho ngakhipha enye isingile ngakhiphe yabona ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bangisupport so I need to like
push more
so ngilo ngizama kanjalo then wazobuyela emakhaya umfethu so by the time ngirelease amanye ama-projects njengabo 24 hours agare show seproducer omunye umfethu besifuna naye la e-top hub yabo so siyasebenzisana but manje asikwazi ukusebenza ndawonye sino pub because pub uhlale Centurion ngihlale Jozi and Oleg lakhe alifuni ukuthi aze Jozi because iJozi kwaziwa ngokuthi ziningi into ezenzakalayo yabo since i-Agare show it was a success then wangisendela i-beat I create i-24 hours fortunate enough khona umunye mfethu ozwile i-Agare show wayithanda wathi mfethu yazi ne-studio time lapha e-SABC ngizwakala nizorecord e-Oakland Park umfethu nje abathi uSifiso uNkabeni yabo ayi vele siye mfethu siyajabula ukuthi ngirecord e-SABC vele young inspiration nje leyo mongena ubona ama radio station TV kala ngiyangena nge-studio serious afika mangifika ngibiza uPablo fika siyarecorda 24 hours it was dope then wayithatha wahamba na kumele remix and masteration Pablo I mix and master and uma wakho afika wazomthatha like ngalobo busuku because bengafuni ukuthi ahlangane nezinto zaseJozi so that's how this whole thing came about now it's okay ngiyakwazi so I need to be consistent yabo I need to grow I need to tap in on some excuse me yabo kwenye sound yabo I need to understand more about this music thing now because now sengwenza serious yabo and into engifuna ukuphila ngayo yabo I need to be out there, make sure I'm outside by all means, meet new people, socialize, make sure music kwami ukulezi ngaleli engilifuna yabo. Okay. Ngiyasocialize sengiqala ngiyaperforma manje around Jozi. Into engangakaze ngicabanga. Ngiqala I'm getting bookings yabo. Okay, I want to okay. Kuyasebenzeka mos. Ngathola amanye ama-producer along the way sisebenza and ingoma seziyaphuma ngiyabona ukuthi okay ngiyakwazi mosu ukushaya ingoma like ithinta abantu ngiyakwazi futhi nokuthi ngishaya music video yabo hamba nje up until ngihlangane nabafowethu yabo abafowethu it's not like so long ngihlangane nabo which is Qualicraft Records amajita engihlangane nawo like not so long ago yabo because bese ngishoda ngoproduce khona uproducer bengisebenza nabathi Blash yabo so ngoba ukuthi khona inkinga ezimvelelayo kwamphoqa ukuthi akabuyele back home sangasakhona ukuthi sisebenzisane so abafowethu I was like scrolling nje Instagram hlangana noNave yabo so ngitshela uNave indoda I hope you good so mfethu ngichazele nje ukuthi ungubani hayi mfethu ufuna uvele mfethu nathi sinaso studio ngala so that's how we linked up kwaba ukuthi sisebenzisana ke and sino music umnandi siwenzile umunye ongakaphumi.
How has it been working with them?
It's been great, man. It's been great because it was okay ngizithini from with team mina ebengisuka kuyona since ibihlala sonke Western Era I think ngigcine ngalesi sikhathi ukubona ukuhlala ne-team yamajida amaningi. So mangihlangana nabo ingikhumbuze that time.
Okay.
But manje ngiyafika ngiyabona ukuthi okay, like cause I don't know, it's because mhlambe sebebadala or
Yeah.
but i-unity yabo
Discipline.
bahloniphana, discipline yabo nje. So iyona into thina engicanga siyayishaya ngalesi sikhathi yabo. Not ukuthi sasingahloniphani, but I think khona izinto eziningi esasingakwazi ukuzihandlisha ngenxa yokuthi mhlambe asikho discipline. Khona izinto eziningi engabe mhlambe zenzeka kahle, but just because indlela thina mhlambe singakwazanga ukuzihandlisha ngayo zangenzeki ngalendlela lezenzeka ngayo. So kusebenzisana nabafethu angifuni uqamba ku-grand kakhulu ngoba and I think this year ngisareleasile ingoma ekuthiwa my producer omunye umfethu bathi Blood yabo. So just search him, Blood SA.
Blood.
Yabo, yeah.
Blood.
It's
Blood.
B
Okay.
L,
Like igazi no M eqaleni.
Yeah.
Okay.
SA. Yabo.
Yeah.
So I don't know if ngisho kahle but yeah. So nje ukubambisana kwabafethu kwenze nami ngabona ukuthi okay, it's easy ukwenza music mowenzela endaweni like obona ukuthi
language
i-vision one because nabo they still pushing the very same agenda narrative le enami engifuna ukuthi ngibe kuyona yabo. So ngikhona nje ingoma yami ekuthiwa Maya abantu bayi-check out entsha and into engichaza ngayo it was my first time trying to tap into that Afro pop engathi maskandi nyane yabo.
Yes.
So let me try something new since it's 2026.
Yeah.
Let me try to create into kanje yabo. Fortunate enough
the flow
ehlangana phuma lento out there abantu kumele bayi-check.
So si-checka kuphi? Tell me about lento zanama platforms wakho abantu bangahamba bayokuchecka khona.
Okay, in music wami everywhere, from konke ama-digital platforms of music yabo. You can just follow me nje at Source 4680 UC it's Source 4680 SAUCE 4680. 468 it's my hometown code yabo, because as much as no Source bebebaningi ngo Source by the time. So to make it unique ngathi singifake i-hometown code yami just to represent my people babona ukuthi noma ngabe ngisegoli
I like that.
So
I like that. And then if I were to ask you ukuthi abobani mhlambe in the near future you would want to work with locally and mhlambe in the near future in your dreams, like locally and abroad?
Okay. I would like to work with locally. I would like to work with Butom Dalos Java, Big Zulu. We because I feel each genre is similar to them. Yeah. Bese, as much as Afro pop, but I'm versatile. Yeah. I wouldn't mind to work with abo Dlala Thukzini, Zakes Bantwini, I don't know, it's just that mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangabaleka ukuthi mention, but bomsaki umsaki futhi umsaki ke ukuyancoma nokuncoma ukuthi I'm a good writer ngicula kahle. There was this competition ebengiyingenela yabo, ushuni womhlaba ngisho kahle bebe hosta kwaMai. I don't know what happened there because sigcina ngiwinile kodwa sisazobizwa sibaningi sakhala kade yasho ukuthi kwenzakaleni angazi sesiyabona sekufaka abanye abantu yabo, but ke ihlule lapho ube uthi Sun L, yeah, ngiyafisa ukusebenza no Sun L. Hey, maybe khona abantu engibakhohlwayo
Yeah.
because abroad ngabo ba Meek Mill one Burna Boy one okay ish baba le
Yeah.
but ngiyafisa nje ukusebenza mina ngithi ngithanda music omnandi yabo
Yeah.
because noma ngilalela music angikhethi ukuthi ucula umaskandi
Or
or
yini,
yini
as long as
it sounds
umnandi
good,
good,
yabo.
yeah.
So I'm willing to work and ngiyafisa ukusebenza nalabantu bomaskandi yabo
Yeah.
abo more special le gang encane nayo le gang indala ngifuna uqamba abo umzukulu
Bonke encane.
into encane abo limit bo yacula le gang yabo abo Khuzani
Yeah.
Thandeni nani yabo
Yeah.
so abantu engifisa ukusebenza nabo
Umnotho.
yonke le gang
Yeah.
yonke le
And then
gang
are you open for bookings?
yeah
And
yeah
if umuntu ufuna ukubooka, how they can reach you?
okay they can send email yabo vista 4680@gmail.com. It's VEESTAR 4680@gmail.com. Then yonke into soyiqeda lapha and ikhona nenumber 068 77 36141 or just slide on my DM at Source 468 nje. Instagram, Facebook, everywhere on Twitter, Source 468. So yeah.
I want to ask you a crazy question.
Yeah.
How it's like to be a father?
To be a father, feel like hey.
Mahlande nyuka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because manje kunama ups and downs yabo.
Yeah.
But ayikho into engenza happy njengokuthi ngibona ukuthi ingane zami ziyakhula and zikhuliswa yimina. And ayikho into engiyifisa njengokuthi the way zingilalela ngakhona manje zingilalele kanjalo forever yabo.
Amen.
Because nami ngiziphathe kahle yabo.
Amen.
Ngisacrificeile okuningi ngoba ngenzela zona ukuthi ziphile lempilo eziphilayo. Make sure ukuthi I'm trying by all means to get them a right education yabo nje ngizame ngako konke even though ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza konke but most of the things abazifuna bakwazi ukuthi bazithole. So yeah.
And then if you were to go back uyoxolisa uSifile, what would you want to say to him, the young Sifile?
Maybe ngingaxolisa nje ngokuthi ngama decisions angiwathathile yabo like uba nengane yabo. I wouldn't advise uSifile omncane ukuthi abe nengane more special by that time yabo because delay process yami kakhulu yabo.
Yeah.
I'm not saying ukuthi sezikhona vele yabo and I have to be responsible ukuthi ngizinakekele but I wouldn't advise umuntu omncane nami ukuthi abe nengane more special before marriage yabo. So just make sure ukuthi uyakhula empilweni uhlanganisa imali the way ufuna ukuhlanganisa ngakhona.
Wenza into zakho
ulandele iphupho lakho because yabo ngisho ukuthi manje ngibe nemali ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza into ngabe ngenza into ethize ngale mali but manje for nokuthengana ayikho right shifta yonke lento noma ngabe ngicabangani sekumele ngibheke le mali ukuthi ngiyifaka kanjani ukuthi ifinyelele kubona yabo. So yiloko nje nginga-advise youth yabo uziphatha kahle nje yabo nje khule ube right uhlanganise more special momjida economy bayibona ukuthi ime kanjani yabed. So kumele benze sure ukuthi baz avoid into ezikanjalo by all means. Yeah.
What is love to you?
Uthando athini ekumina ngizothini uthando into eza ngendlela ezihlukene kakhulu yabo. Uthando mfethu mina okay it's about respect, discipline, indlela oziphatha ngayo nendlela ngizithini oziphatha ngayo ophatha ngayo abanye abantu yabo. So I think lezo zinto lezo zifoma this one thing abathi uthando yabo. So lokho nje kuyi-one. Uthando doesn't necessary ukuthi uthando uma ukhuluma ngothando ukhuluma ngomuntu othandana naye. Just ukuthi ngihlangene nawe the way indlela esiphathene ngayo. Ngakhona ukubona ukuthi umuntu onothando, umuntu owaziyo ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi mhlambe ukwazi ukuthi if khona uza kweni mhlambe one podcast somewhere uthi ngakwazi ukumrefer uSivuyile or Sosi lapha because ngimbonile ukuthi umuntu kanjani yabo. And lokho nje kukodwa kwenzela izinto zibe lula empilweni yabo. It's easy ukuthi usocialize nabanye abantu nendlela nje omuva ngakhona ukuthi like iba smooth.
And then right now if uNkulunkulu angakukhumbula kusasa ufuna ukukhunjulwa ngani?
Mina ngifisa ukukhunjulwa because obvious I'm trying to pursue this music thing. So ayikho enye into engakhunjulwa ngayo ngaphandle kwemusic nendlela mhlambe engibe ne impact kuyona kwi-youth yabo. Because music okhuluma ngempilo yabo, ngempilo esiphilayo yabo. Hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngezinto engingazazi. Ezinye izinto ngizi-experienceile, ezinye is-experience abanye abantu. So kodwa zonke lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo into engizibonile around mina yabo. So ngiyafisa ukuthi ngikhunjulwe njengomuntu who was one of amaqhawe owakwazi ukuthi angamislead i-youth elandela thina yabo. Akwazi ukuthi babone ukuthi okay khona umuntu osekasi manje back home mhlambe noma kweliphi ikasi owenza music yabo. Indlela angifisa ukuthi indlela azama ukuphesiwa ngayo music ifane neyami yabo. Ngifisa ukuthi bona bafike at least izinto sezilula yabo. Sengafani nathi yabo ukuthi kumele uqale phansi yabo. Ngikwazi ukuthi okay uma ukuthi khona ingane ekwazi ucula ikwazi ukuthi iroute ibe simple yabo than ukuthi kusamele ngisukele ekhaya ngize eGoli. Ngifuna like yonke lento abayibona kuthina sizele eGoli bakwazi ukuthi bayithole bele emakhaya yabo. And especially manje sekukhona i-social media and bangakhona ukuthi basebenzise i-social media ngendlela e-right yabo. So akusafani nje, there is no formula manje. Before bokwazi ukuthi dala bewukuthi uma ufuna ukuphumelela kumele uqale urecord i-demo, hambe uyisubmit,
kufanele uthola ama-connection yonke lonto le. Manje you can do all of that kwi-social media wena.
Abantu bakwenzisele before wena ubezile yabo.
Like that.
So nje ku-ease.
Is there anything ocabanga ukuthi sikhohliwe, projects that you're working on right now?
Right now I'm working music omusha, ngizokhipha music omusha ngekudala. I know ukuthi I just dropped kwaMai as a single, but ke ngizodropha music omusha because ngizoqala ngo-music video kaMai then bese ngikhipha music omusha ukuthi yipi ke nama ngakayazi.
uNkulunkulu will give you direction.
uNkulunkulu uzosinika ama direction nabantu ke because mina ngumuntu othanda ukuthi uma ngizokhipha ama fans wami ngiconnect nawo kakhulu because ekugcineni angizenzeli mina lo music ngwenzela bona. So it's very important ukuthi ngibuze kubona ukuthi which one should I drop yabo because ekugcineni konke kumele kube yibona abo-streamayo music. Into engayicela nje ukuthi ama-supporters ami asupport music wami ngicela benze sure ukuthi bangisupporta kakhulu ngekuqala yabo because okwamanje I'm just by myself and I have them.
I like that.
Ibona
We got each other.
yeah. So ibona engizothini engithembele kubona. So if ngiluza bona ayikho enye into engathi ngithembele ngayo. So I have to make sure ukuthi I pick myself up.
Yeah.
As long as nginabo akukho engahluli. Trust me.
Amen.
Mina
Ngizwile
nje
ngisho.
ngizoba nika music omnandi omusha yabo.
Yeah.
Iloko nje ngingakusho yabo.
And word of the day?
Word of the day ukuthi baziphathe kahle yabo. Baziphathe kahle more especially gang encane yabo. These days kuningi okwenzakalayo na with groove siphathe kahle ungaxabani nje nabantu kalula kuyafiwa and ukufaka umuntu into easy yabo. Ukuziphatha kahle include into eziningi bafethu amajita mobuya ku groove ubuye nomuntu esifazane just make sure ukuthi nivumelene endleleni ensuke nivumelene ngayo and straight ngoba lento esizwe kuseni kuthiwe ufuna 5000
njile mawungenayo
uyejele isikhathele ukuluza bafethu baya ngaphakathi and nanibusisi sicela niphathe kahle abobhuti yabo. Indaba ye-GBV kuyashawana nani bafethu uthando lubalekile. So impilo imfushane, let's try to make sure ukuthi we create like good memories while sisasendawonye yabo, because ekugcineni konke sonke sohamba kulomhlaba but into ebalekile ukuthi siphathane kahle yabo. Uthando into ekumele si-enjoy, akumele beyinto ukuthi sesihala nanani mase iqala iba kanjalo
ngcono baleka ngenyawo zombili. That was profound. Thank you so much for that, because honestly speaking baningi abantu abaframiwe kwathiwa bajinjile and they didn't do that.
Too much.
Thank you so much for touching that. And ngiyabonga kakhulu for your time. I know ukuthi izolo beni hectic and all that but you are here now and I hope sisazosebenzisana mhlambe you know nami ningibize nje ngibeke space senu, you know.
Khuleka.
And ngiyabonga kakhulu for that and I'm rooting for you. Ngiyathanda lento esho ukuthi support guys, we are nobody without you.
Yeah. Ni yabo mayiphuma nje le episode ngiyabaza abantu bami ngizobacela ukuthi bazosibuka la yabo, subscribe yabo, make sure ukuthi nawo checka namanye mawukuthi udiscover amanye amaciko akhona la kwi podcast. So ungabuki so sikuphela yabo, moqeda ngale kwazi ukuthi uyochecka namanye amaciko akhona la. So nje iloko nje siyacela.
Thank you.
And I don't know ukuthi mhlawumbe khona okunye
ngiyacabanga ukuthi sithathe everything.
Everything because by the way okay khona ingoma engayenza no Obriqwana is on TV yabo nje, but like I think indlela eqhamuke ngayo le ngoma I wasn't even supposed to be on the song yabo, but ke kwenzakala ukuthi bekuyona and abantu bayijabulela kakhulu yabo. And I was so surprised ukuthi abantu balithanda kanje ivesi lami le ngoma and yabo leyo nto yangikhombisa ukuthi okay shuthi I can handle this yabo, noma ngabe ngiphi noma ngabe kwenzakalani yabo. But ke lokho nje ngijabulela abantu baqhubeke bangithande bangisupport. Support.
Right now if you are subscribe lapho ushare comment guys and mhlawumbe if ikhona into esikhohliwe bese cela ukuthi nisibuze yona kuma comments, ubhuti khona uzobebona everything the engagement uzophendula le nto leyo mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi
ngafisa ukuyazi ngosource yabo. Like just ask anything ongafisa ukuyazi ngosource then uzophenduleka. And ngakhohle ukustream music wami at Source 4680 SAUCE4680. Music ukhona ku Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, everywhere khona nama visuals. So ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu.
Thank you so much guys, sinthanda kakhulu. Sazophinde sibonana, ngiyacabanga ukuthi usazolokho ebuya izosinikeza ama updates every now and then makakhona. Sinthanda kakhulu guys and we out.